Here we have two equations, 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of y equals 42 and x plus y is equal to 3. Let's call these equations number 1 and number 2. To solve this, let us first consider equation number 1. 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of y is equal to 42. Now, if we multiply by 6 to the x on both sides of the equation, we end up with 6 to the power of x times by 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of y times by 6 to the power of x is equal to 42 times by 6 to the power of x. Now, using one of our index laws, which states that a to the power of m times by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, we can simplify this equation. So 6 to the power of x times by 6 to the power of x is equal to 6 to the power of x plus x, or 6 to the power of 2x. 6 to the power of y times by 6 to the power of x is equal to 6 to the power of x plus y is equal to 42 times by 6 to the power of x. From equation number 2, we can see that x plus y is equal to 3. And here again, we are given that 6 to the power of x plus y. Hence, we can substitute x plus y is equal to 3 into the equation. This gives us that 6 to the power of 2x plus 6 to the power of 3 is equal to 42 times by 6 to the power of x. 6 to the power of 3 is just 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. Now, if we rearrange this equation, we get 6 to the power of 2x minus 42 times by 6 to the power of x plus 216. It seems that we have a hidden quadratic here, whereby if we substitute a is equal to 6 to the x, we get that a squared minus 42 times by a plus 216 is equal to 0. Now it's time to factorize the quadratic. 216 is divisible by 36 and 6. So a minus 36 times by a minus 6 is equal to 0. Hence, a is equal to 36 or a is equal to 6. Therefore, we have that 6 to the x is equal to 36 or 6 to the x is equal to 6. Hence, x is equal to 2 because 6 squared is 36, or x is equal to 1. And if we substitute this back into equation number 2, we get that y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2. And these are our two pairs of answers.